So, ito yung ating
Sir, wala. Morning.
ay, morning.
Sige ka. Sige sir, continue.
Yan. So, ito yung AWP natin, no? So, I think it's a single monitor and this single via at yung workstation natin. So, ito yung ano natin, no? Every time mag-boot up tayo, ito yung greetings natin. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung landing page natin. So, you have your task cards, you have your examination, system check, restart, and lock. And then you have your icons at the right upper. So, first thing you want to do, pagka nag-up ka ng system mo, this is, meron siyang X na color red. Yun. So, meron na siyang check kasi chinek up ko na siya kanina. Okay, so, pagdating mo ng umaga, boot up ng system, meron siyang X mark dito. So, you have to click yung X mark na yan and then, magpo-proceed ka dun sa system check niya. O yung check-up procedure. Pero ngayon, kukunin natin yung check-up procedure niya dito sa ating cogwheel or yung settings. Cogwheel and then check-up. And then, okay.
Mag-picture lang kami.
And then, check lang natin ito first. Then, ito yung ating control console. So, meron siyang table up, down, in, out. This is your play button or your movement. You have your laser light. You have your home button key. You have your mic doon. Pick up and then this one is yours. Yung mic mo dito. Yun. So, pagka mag-engage ka sa patient or mag-instruct ka, you have to press this one and speak and then on mo to para marinig mo. Ito yung kanyang iniebas or sinasabi doon. Okay? So, you have your safety. Pag in-engage mo to, parang emergency stop. If you engage this one, mawawala naman yung kuryente ng gantry mo. Okay? So, this one is your start. This one is your stop. Radiation on, radiation off. So, sabi niya, check up, go. So, ito yun. Just follow the orange light. So, pag sinabi niyang go, click on go. And then, mag-i-initialize siya. So, ano ba yung mga natatandaan natin when it comes to check-up procedures? Walang tao sa loob. Yung gantry natin, wala siyang dapat anything. So, minsan, di ba, on a day's work, ang daming nakalagay, nakalimutan natin yung linen nandun sa may gantry. So, we have to take that off. And then, you run yung ating check-up procedures. Okay, so, magbi-blink yung ating on. And then, that's the time na pwede na tayo mag-press start. Start. Feed 0. Start lang natin siya. And then, i-execute niya lahat yung kanyang check-up protocols or check-up procedures. From your function emitter, wear down, run out, whatever. It's inside dun sa gantry, i-run niya. Okay? So, kung meron siyang napipick up ng, by the way, bakit nga ba tayo nag-check up ng ating system? Para saan po ang ating check-up procedures?
Hindi ko may error.
Yes, exactly, no? So parang error check, parang nire-ready mo yung system mo for procedures. So it's very important, no? Niraran natin every time yung check-up procedure natin, especially pag mag-boot up tayo in the morning. So bawa, nag-turn off tayo ng system natin at 10 PM, then wala tayong patient. That's 7 AM kung ano yung shift natin. We have to boot up and check up natin yung procedures kasi it's for the system para dun sa tubo. Well, we can disregard, no? Yung, kasi papago ka naman nito eh. Pero yun lang, be ready kung ano yung yaw-yaw sa'yo ng radiologist mo. Bakit ganyan yung image quality? Bakit nag-ringing artifact na tayo? Or bakit nagpapalit na tayo ng tubo? Eh, ilang years lang. So, basically, ito yung pag-aalaga natin ng system natin. Check up, phantom check, calibrations, and all. Okay, so, isabihin now, nire-ready natin yung system natin for procedures kung meron tayo ngayon. Okay, so even mamaya, if you can check, even yung kanyang table, sina-check niya for alignment. Even yung tilt niya, sina-check niya for alignment. Okay, so do you have any question?
Hindi ba yan, sir, meron yung certain number of exposure ang dapat na
For a day?
ma-meet
For a day?
before mag-malfunction ang
Yeah, it's
Ilang yan siya,
in
sir?
tube seconds po, ma'am. So as to kung ilan yung tube seconds, I'll get back to you and check pa dun kay Engineer RG.
CC number, ilang lens, pwede mo ba nang pag-break?
Yan, so this system, pagka, nag-idle, nag-boot up, nag-check up ka ng 7 AM, no? And then, wala kang ginawa, nag-idle siya for 4 hours, hingi siya ng calibration. Yun, so, yung first na pop-up niya, or pag hingi niya ng check-up, iraran natin yun. Yung first. And then succeeding, naghingi siya ng check-up at, say, 2 PM. Niran natin siya, and then na-idle siya ulit for like 4. Humingi siya ng 6 PM. Wala ka naman patient na gagawin. Just delay. Pwede mo i-cancel. Making sure na pagka may patient ka at 8 PM, bago mo ipasok, you have to run your check-up procedure. Kasi nire-ready mo ulit yung system mo, diba? Certain procedure. Okay, so lahat ng KD niya, sine-check nila lang niya at dose coordination. So, 120 ml, 120 KD, 3 by 2 mm, tube A, at 0.5 rotation time. So lahat yun ay ine-execute niya. Okay? Hindi sila mag-attend. Secretary. Sure. Well, there are talks kung bakit daw ang tagal ng check-up procedure ni Siemens, no? Kasi mindset is ang dami niyang laman kaya kailangan niya i-check lahat, no? Isa-isa. Whereas kung yung mga ibang manahirapan, ang bilis lang kasi yun lang yung kanyang nakalagay dun sa gantry. Si Siemens kasi everything is being checked for us to, wala tayong compromise pagdating ng procedures natin. Kailangan pakuha. Workflow checkup at system check completed with status okay. Yeah, so that's the time na pwede na tayong gumawa ng procedures natin. If may error siya, like system check aborted by error, ang unang gagawin mo is shut down yung system and then boot up ka ulit and then you run check-up procedure. If nag-persist siya, kailangan mo nang itawag sa service. And then i-relay nyo sa kanila kung ano ba yung error na yun. Okay? So, after this one, i-next natin siya, close, and then the system is ready for procedures. Okay, so balik tayo dun sa loob. Check. So, basically parang dun sa control box natin. So, meron tayo itong nebula. You can choose to the traffic. Basically, pwede lang kasi. And then, yung table information mo is your height is yes, so pag pinig mo yan, your information, the table positions, okay, your height is 100 mm, weight is negative 375, zero in. So magkakaroon na information about dun sa iyong table position. Okay, so you have your laser light. Yung laser light natin, kung saan natin ito ito, that's it. Yung ibang system yun, di ba, kailangan nyo calculate yung forward, middle, backward, laser. So pwede tayo mag-set kayo ng mag-execute kayo ng movement nyo. This will be your start scan. So you will itama ito. For example, you will be doing the head or brain. Basically, 2-3 fingers above the vertex and that's it. If you're doing a abdomen, sa nipple line, that's it. So pag sa chest, sa lower lip, that's it. Okay? And then, you have posterior tilting. So paano mag-tilt ng gantry? Kaya-affect yung tilting gantry procedure. So pasok mo dun sa isocenter ng board, yung table that you can access your tilt. Basically, push mo itong ganyan, pindot, and then mag-blink yung movement button mo, and then steady press, and then mag-tilt na yung gantry. So, say negative 15 ang gusto, and then it will stop at negative 15. You want to do it the other way around, press mo naman yung positive mo. It will tilt on positive position. Remember, papasok is negative, outside is positive. So it can tilt at plus minus 30 degrees. So pag magpa-perpendicular na kayo, 0 tilt, press mo lang ito. And then 0. Okay, and the question. We have your move to A and move to B. These are default. Like for example, nakapit at positive 10 feet at 1295.5 and your height of 134.0. Pag pananes mo si move to A, isa-save niya yung coordinates niya sa A. So, pag-define na nila ba yung patient mo, for example, do the research o kung ano man. Pag ika ng patient mo move to A, press exactly the same coordinates niya. So, hindi natin siya masyadong ginagawa kasi every time kayo may patient. Okay? So, that's your table information. Okay, so you have also your, talking about, dito muna tayo. You have also your home button key. So if it's still 10 feet high, pag furnace mo to is 0 lang. Okay, so pagkatapos ka ng pag-scan, ito yung kaibigan. Press mo lang ito. Out and then down. Okay. Laser light. You can also do your exposure dito. Okay, so kung bakit siya dinesign na dito, mobile workflow ang tawag namin dyan. So bago nila kinonstruct ang CT scan, they did a research asking our patients, no? Ano ba yung mga grievances nyo kung meron? Sinasabi nila, di ba kayo ang bibilis na ng mga scanners natin. So, hinahanap pala nila tayo, where are they? Kasi pag-higa, pasok mo. Gusto mo kayo. Okay, so, they did this. They incorporate a mobile workflow devices like your wireless RC tablet. Kasi for us to be able to be on the side of the patient ng maraming time. So, example, patients coming in for brain head. So, for a first timer, you can basically register the patient's name. You can do an emergency. You can do an emergency registration if wala ka pang identifier ng patient mo. You can click on go. Yun, so habang kinakausap mo yung patient mo, you can check your identifiers. You can check on your positioning and first to find. Or basically, swipe mo lang siya ganyan. See? Yan. If it's head first prone, head first supine, you can simply interacting with this every flash of an arm. And even though first supine, and so on and so forth. Even yung table movement, table in or going out. And then, most important is, pwede kang mag-pick up na procedures mo. If gagawa ka ng head, if gagawa ka ng abdomen, all your configured protocols are readily available dito sa tablet mo. So, making sure na yung patient is, yun na, at least, yung anxiety niya is na-lessen kasi nga, nandito tayo sa kanila. Explaining things to them, kung po kayong gagalaw, ito po yung gagawin natin. So, we get to spend more time with the patient. Okay? So, especially pagka, yun nga, nakasituate ka sa, say, hospital na is private, okay? Ano yung private patient? Experience-wise, kailangan. Nagbayad ako ng dito kailangan pa-experience mo sa akin yung system mo. So, by means of this mobile portable devices, we get to spend more time sa kanila. Sinashowcase natin. You can even check on images. Less are the scene. So, I can see meron tayong barrier dito. Pero inaaral ko sa Carolina. North Carolina. Ganun lang kami. So, daming patient, may barrier, equipment yung sa tablets. Dito, expose kami. Doon lang sa tablet. Now, if patient is very anxious mo first time, yun, so making sure na walang galaw, use your mobile workflow device. So, grasp mo lang siya ganyan, and then you can easily, hindi pala easily, kasi yun na, wala siyang connection. Yan. So, grasp mo lang siya ganyan, and then do your thing. Yan, you can click this one sa scrub suits ninyo, making sure again, you get to spend time with the patient. Okay? If you want to do a ECG-gated scanning, so magkakaroon siya ng ECG trace. So lahat ng information about your table, your ECG, your protocol configuration sa tablet. You can also do your field of view. Scan na lang field of view, para lang siya regular lang. So it's a touch screen system. The only thing na hindi mo magagawa dito is exposure. You have dito, meron siyang go, meron siyang scan, pero it's disabled siya. Kasi touch screen to, no? Baka mamaya, makatouch na natin siya, nag-expose na tayo. So disabled na yun. Movement, exposure, and exposure. And here, sa config natin, we have your general. You can also have your mood light. Yeah. So, isang bentana yan, no? Especially pagka pedia or toddlers yung ating patient. No? Pwede tayong mag-uling-uling sa kanila. What's your favorite color, Mima? Yan. Diba? So, you can mood light. That is your A lower yard. And it comes up with a 2D camera with patient's observation. Okay, so kasi pagka nagpo-configure sa AWP mo, at naka-on yung 2D camera mo, you can check dun sa screen yung activity mo, patient, 2D. Okay, so you can check on your brightness, you can check static, or you can do random. Or pagka say na choose ka sa New Year, evening, no? At wala kang patient, kuha ka ng table sa parade course. Tapos, test mo lang siyang ganyan. Hindi ba may patay mo yung ganyan. O di parang nasa kabaret. Parang nasa kabaret din. Okay, ibig kang person. Test ka na yun. No? Hindi. May table lang. Yeah. tinatawag nilang city experience. Pinaka-experience natin. Okay, you have your intervention, yung tupalo naman yung interventions natin. Like your joystick. Kasi yung dinala mo sa ibang tablet kanina, di ba? Mapapansin mo, magkakaba yung kanya.
Yung sa likod.
That one is basically para supporting natin. Nakalagay siya. So the doctors can interact. Can do yung field of view, can magnify the image. They can use a distance light para measure yung target. Okay, so to follow the interventions. Okay, so again, this system can do everything. So, okay. So yeah, so any question? So if you can just play around, check nyo kung ano yung right? Sa inyo